Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about one of the customization. Using this customization, you can set order number and DO number details in your outstanding, set reference number and order number details in your ledger report. I will show you how to enable that features. For that, you want to load one customization. I have already that customization, so you can download this module from our online shop. Download link is in my video description. Please check. Okay, so I am going to load that module. Right click on this TCP file, then go to property, then security. This is the entire path of this file. Select all the path, right click, copy. So the TCP location path was copied. Then I am going to load that customization in your TallyPrime. Go to help, then TDL and add-on is there. Then this is the TDL configuration screen. The right corner you can see manage local TDL. Select the manage local TDL. Then load selected TDL file on startup, make it yes. Then here you can specify the path. Otherwise we already copied that path. You can paste here Alt Control V. Then enter. So it is loaded. Then enter, select end of list, save it. So now the TDL was saved. Then go to report. So here I will show you the day book. In the day book you will get two entry. I already passed two sales entry here with LPO and DO number. I will show you. This is the reference number. Here I am putting the reference number. Then the party. Here this is the delivery note number. Then this is the order number. Okay. Next I am going to take my ledger report. Go to display more report, accounts book, ledger, then select the party. Here you can see two additional columns is there. First one is reference number, second one is the order number. This is the first invoice reference number, then this is the second invoice reference number and order number. You press enter, you will get this is the reference number. Normally in TallyPrime there is no reference field. You want to enable that reference field. So this is a method for enabling reference field. Go to configure in sales voucher. Here you can see provide reference number and date. Make it yes, then save. So your reference field will be appear here. Then next report, go to display more, statements of account, outstanding, receivables. In receivable, this is a default report in our TallyPrime. So you want to configure that order number and DO number in your outstanding. For that, go to configure. Then here there is a one more option, show more details, make it yes, then enter. So here you can see order number, order date, delivery note number, delivery note date. In this way you will get order number and DO number details in your outstanding report. In ledger wise outstanding also you will get the report. I will show you. Go to ledger, select the party. Here this is the report, order number, order date, LPO number and LPO date. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel for getting more free videos.